In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an easy infographic diagram in Microsoft Word. If you want to present information in a more visual and engaging way, using an infographic can make your document clearer, more attractive, and easier to understand. The good news is that you don't need advanced design software to do this, because Microsoft Word already has built-in tools that can help you create clean and professional-looking diagrams. To get started, open your document in Microsoft Word. Make sure you have a clear idea of the information you want to present, because a well-organized layout will make your infographic more effective. Once you're ready, go to the Insert tab at the top of the screen. From there, look for the Smart Art option and click on it. This will open a gallery of diagram styles that you can use. Inside the Smart Art window, you'll see different categories, such as List, Process, Cycle, Hierarchy, and more. Choose a layout that best matches the type of information you want to display. For example, a process layout works well for step-by-step information, while a cycle layout is great for repeating stages. After selecting your preferred design, click OK and the diagram will appear in your document. Next, you can start adding your content. Click on the text placeholders within the diagram and type your information. As you add text, the infographic will automatically adjust to fit your content. Keep your text short and clear so your diagram remains easy to read. Once your content is in place, you can customize the appearance of your infographic. Click on the diagram, then go to the Smart Art Design tab. Here, you can change colors, apply different styles, and adjust the overall look to match your document. You can also use the Format tab to modify shapes, adjust sizes, and fine-tune the layout. If you want to make your infographic more visually appealing, you can insert icons or images. Go back to the Insert tab, choose Pictures or Icons, and place them near your diagram. This helps emphasize key points and makes your content more engaging. Finally, take a moment to review your infographic. Make sure everything is aligned properly and easy to understand. A clean and balanced design will always make a stronger impact. And that's it. You now know how to create a simple yet effective infographic diagram in Microsoft Word. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.